Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chittagong Engineering University School and College online classroom. I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Chittagong Engineering University School and College, Chuet, Raujan, Chattogram. Today I am here with a new lesson from class 3, BGS book of class 3. At first, I want to show you some pictures which you can guess what is our topic today, so that you can guess what is our topic today. You know all the pictures. There is our Shahid Minar, Martyred Intellectuals Memorial, and festivals, Pohela Boishakh and other festivals. So today our lesson is our history and culture. Our history and culture. Topic 1, Martyrs' Day and International Mother Language Day. Martyrs' Day, 21 February is our Martyrs' Day. On that day, many people along with some students were martyred because they expressed the right to speak in their mother tongue, Bangla. This happened when we were ruled by Pakistan. Bengalis from East Pakistan were a majority in Pakistan and their mother tongue was Bangla. You know, before the liberation or before the independence, we were under the rule of Pakistan, West Pakistan. That's why the West Pakistani rulers wanted Urdu to be the only state language. But we are the Bengalis who are the most populous part of Pakistan. That's why Bengalis did not accept their offer. They demanded Bangla to be state language. So a protest was called from Dhaka University on 21 February 1952. The police fired at the procession. Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Jabbar and Shafiur along with many people were martyred for the demand of mother tongue. They were called language martyrs. Sacrificing lives for a language is a rare event in the history of the world. Only the Bengali nation sacrificed their lives for their mother tongue. In memory of these language martyrs, the central Shahid Minar was built in Dhaka. Smaller Shahid Minar were also built in educational institutions. Every year on 21 February, we go barefoot with flowers to pay respect to language martyrs. Our Martyrs' Day is now observed throughout the world as International Mother Language Day because UNESCO declared this day as International Mother Language Day. So it is our pride. We are proud nation to having these days. Now there are some questions on page 63. What is February known as? What is 21 February known as? For whom does it commemorate? When did the movement for Bangla language occur? Name some of the martyrs. Which monument has been built to commemorate the martyrs? So I think you will get all the answers from the text if you read properly. Then there is another question also. Why did the Bengalis protest for a state language? And there is the information in B. You know, আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রাঙানো 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি আমি কি ভুলিতে পারি. This song was written by Abdul Ghaffar Chowdhury and music was composed by Altaf Mahmud, and Altaf Mahmud was martyred in 1971. This song is famous to us. We all Every 21 February we sing this song to commemorate our martyrs, language martyrs. Then go to the next page. 64. The Independence Day and Victory Day. Besides 21 February, we have more days, 26 March and 16 December. You know, 26 March is our Independence Day and 16 December is our Victory Day. Every year on 26 March, we celebrate Independence Day. It is our national day. A National Martyrs Memorial has been built in Savar in memory of the martyrs of Liberation War. There is the picture also I have shown you before. On this day, people go there and pay their respects with flowers. We also know that the war with Pakistan went on for 9 months till 16 December 1971. On that day, the Pakistan army got defeated and surrendered. Every year we celebrate Victory Day on 16 December by laying flowers and holding ceremonies at the National Martyrs Memorial. Victory fairs also take place throughout the country. You know, we also celebrate those days. Now, page 65, there are some questions. Which days are commemorated as Independence Day and Victory Day? Which date is commemorated as Martyrs Day? Who was defeated in 1971? Where is the National Martyrs Memorial? How do people pay respect in the National Martyrs Memorial? I think you will get all the answers from the text and you will write some things or two memorials which commemorate Shahid Minar and National Martyrs Memorial. Which days do we commemorate on this day? Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. On dash, the Pakistan army got defeated and surrendered. You will fill in the blanks also. Then open at page 66. Our New Year and other celebrations. You know, every year we celebrate our New Year's Day on Pahela Boishakh. Pahela Boishakh is the first day of the Bangla New Year. This is the main social festival for Bangalis and everyone takes part. Musical programs and Boishakhi fair are organized in this day. Children enjoy the fairs with sweets, dolls, earthen toys, wooden materials, etc. Businessmen open their yearly accounts on this day. This is called Halkhata. For this, the customers are welcomed in the shops with sweets. This day, mainly, Halkhata is celebrated with the shop owners because they open a new accounts on this day. And Pahela Boishakh is celebrated every year. You also participate in these fairs, I know. Now, Nabanno. Nabanno is a festival in rural Bangladesh. It marks the harvesting of crops. Harvesting means the collecting the crops. Amon Pedi is cut and brought home in the month of Agrahayan in the Bangla calendar. The farmers are happy to harvest their crops. They make different kinds of cakes and other food with the new rice and give them to family and neighbors. Then they play music and dance. Then Posh Mela. Posh Mela is also a social festival in Bangladesh. It is held in the month of Posh in Bangla's calendar. Winter cakes and sweets are made at home. The celebration of cake making continue for several days. Sorry, here is a mistake. Cake making continue for several days. Besides, fairs are organized. Many kinds of cakes and foods are found in fairs. Besides dance and music, jatras organized. You all are known about this Nabanno, Posh Mela and Pahela Boishakh. You also celebrate those days, I think, because it is the rural area and you know it better. Dear students, you will complete page 67. Then I have given some homework to you. There are some fill in the blanks, and I hope you will complete all the homework at home, and all the SQ from the textbook also. I am not giving any CV here because this chapter is important to know, but there is no CV for you for the examination. That's why I haven't given any CV, but you must memorize all the textbook related questions. That's all for today. Thank you all.